Now that we have our bananas in our greased muffin tin, I'm gonna come in with my dark brown sugar, and we are just gonna add a little bit of brown sugar into each of our muffin tins. This is gonna help caramelize those bananas and make this an extra sweet treat. Oh my goodness. You could use the light brown sugar if you'd like. I just had the dark brown, so that's what we're going for. Let's quickly get our delicious brown sugar on there, and then we're on to our next step. Okay, we got our brown sugar on each one. Now we're gonna come in with our salted butter, and I just cut these into super thin slices. We're gonna add 1 slice onto each of our banana-filled cups. This is gonna be such a delicious and easy dessert. It's so quick and it tastes amazing. You can make it for breakfast or for dessert, whatever you want it for. Everyone will love it. All right, just get your butter on there super quick. Beautiful. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and move this to the side, and we're gonna grab a bowl and a whisk. And with our bowl and a whisk, we are going to add our Pillsbury Quick Bread Banana Mix. So this is a banana bread mix, and it is delicious. It tastes homemade, you guys. I would not steer you wrong. We're gonna go ahead and add 2 eggs right in there. Perfect. Then we're gonna add 1 cup of milk. Right in there. Beautiful. You can use whatever milk you prefer. Last ingredient, 1/3 cup of Crisco oil. Right in there. Oh yeah, we just followed those box instructions. We're gonna go ahead and whisk this together so that we get a delicious cornbread muffin mix that will complement those beautiful caramelized bananas that we put into our muffin tin. Oh yes. See, it's a banana bread, so you can eat it for breakfast or for dessert. It's great for any time of the year. I love making it during the colder winter days because it just kind of warms my heart with all of those delicious flavors. You could obviously do a homemade banana bread mix, but I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an inspiration. I love quick and easy recipes, so that's why I decided to go for the box mixture, but I think this is ready to go. We are gonna scoop this right into our muffin mix. All right, go ahead and bring this back in.
Oh, this smells delicious.
Yeah, it's kind of just a nice liquidy texture, and we're just gonna cover up all of those ingredients that we put in there. Oh my goodness. Now I did spray my pan, but this is also a silicone pan. I definitely recommend using a silicone muffin tin because it just makes your job that much easier. You don't want anything to stick. That's always so disappointing, especially when you have those beautiful bananas on the bottom. Oh, we wanna make sure those pop out. Okay, just fill these up about 3/4 of the way. Use all your batter. This is the perfect amount of batter for 12 muffins. We want some big muffins, right, babe?
Yeah, the bigger the better.
Yeah. Okay. Looks like we're gonna be able to do another scoop in these. So we're gonna do 2 of these scoops in each hole. All right, these are nice and full, but we're not done yet. We have one more thing, and this is totally optional. Walnuts. I just feel like they go so great with banana bread. So I'm just gonna do a few sprinkled right on top just to make these look extra delicious. Ooh, they smell so good already. That banana bread batter is just like, ugh, smells heavenly. Now these are gonna be big muffins, you guys, so do not be surprised when they come out and they're giant, okay? Let's go ahead and get 3 walnuts in each one. That seems to be the magic number for our muffin tin. Ooh, I cannot wait. Our oven is set. It is ready for us to make our delicious banana bread muffins. Okay, so my oven is set to 350 and these are gonna cook for 35 minutes. Oh my, these smell so good. Oh, I cannot wait to try them. But these are upside down banana breads, so we gotta flip these babies out.
Oh, here we go.
Okay. Very carefully, I have my cutting board here, and we're just gonna go super quick with it. All right, should we count down?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. You slammed them down.
Make sure those bananas are falling. All right, should I open it this way, check?
Yeah, check it out. Just lift the whole thing, I wanna see it. Come on.
Ooh, look how good they look. Look at the caramelized bananas. This is the only one that stuck to the pan. All the other ones came out so perfect.
Nice.
Oh my God, the caramelization is exactly what I wanted. It's not burnt, it's just the perfect caramel. Okay, it is time to try one. I'm gonna go for this guy right here. You can eat it anyway. Oh my gosh, okay, it's too sticky.
They look beautiful both ways.
Okay, I'm so excited to try. Be careful, Tot. We just got them out of the oven. That's the important thing, is right out of the oven, you gotta flip them so those bananas don't get stuck to the bottom, okay?